My first book ever I made, and it's on Amazon.
Somebody tell me the answers. Me and you isn't the answer. Me and you isn't. Maybe I'm telling myself that.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been so long, and the reason for that is literally I just don't know what to post anymore. But I'm going to start picking up the camera more. Yeah, and just doing a little bit of everything. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for subscribing. I think I have 230 something subscribers. So shout out to you guys. It is currently 10:06 and I have class at 10:45. I know you guys is like, you're still in bed? You have class in a little bit? I have class online. Yeah, my class is online. So, I'm taking a CCMA medical assistant class online. It's going good so far. I have 7 more weeks and I graduate to externship, so I'm very excited for that. Right now, I've been watching That's So Even on my iPad for like the past 2 hours. But yeah, I'm going to pick up the camera more. I got the new DJI Osmo Pocket 3, so I definitely want to put it to use. And yeah, I feel like I'm more active on TikTok, but TikTok doesn't know whether they want to stay or go, so I'm going to be posting more on YouTube. So hopefully you guys stay tuned. Yeah, just mainly like just day in the life videos because I feel like that's so me and I enjoy doing those. So yeah. Today, I don't have much planned besides logging in for school. I do have to do like a bag for Savers. So Savers is like a thrift store. I don't know. I don't like throwing stuff away. I like giving it away. So I'm gonna create a bag for that. I feel like I have so much stuff and it needs to go. I love this phone case. It's a brownish, like a mocha phone case. I love it. I got it from Shein. If you guys have never shopped on Shein.com, they have the most cutest phone cases. They have a lot of stuff and it's very cheap. But yeah. About to start class soon and then I will be back.
Alright, so welcome to the meantime. This is actually one of my favorite things that I enjoy for our quality aspect of meditation and inspiration. Thinking about you isn't helping. Thinking about you doesn't tell me what could you do if I decide to face the truth. It could have been right, but I'm wrong. Only think about you, only think about wrong. Only hit me up when she's not wrong, and that's why
Alright guys, so as you can see, my master in disguise, I made a chicken Caesar salad wrap. I have two here. It's with my calories. I am starting to count my calories. So I use my Fitness Pal. Whatever I eat, I put it in that app and it tells me if it's high in fiber, high in protein, too much fat, too much sodium. So yeah, I like using that app. I live by that app. No, I'm not sponsored. This is my real opinion. Yeah, but I love that app. So I'm gonna eat this. And I also got me a Poppy. I love these. This 5 grams of sugar. It's like a healthier soda. So this one is orange cream. Comment below if you like Poppy or Olipop. I started off drinking Olipop, so good, but then when they came out with Poppy, now I love Poppy, and the best one I like is the cream, the orange flavor. But this is orange cream, it's like really good. So let's open this. I usually put them in the freezer, but I'm just gonna pour it over some ice. It looks so good. It tastes amazing. So if you guys, again, not sponsored, but if you guys like Poppy, try the orange cream flavor. And this cup I also got from Shein. Yes, they sell cups like this. So good. Cheers. What I'm going to add, because it's a little dry, is a little bit more Caesar dressing. That'll be perfect. So I'm about to watch a movie while I eat, and we'll be back. So this was the movie I was watching while I was eating. I just finished it. It's called Deadly Midwife. It's such a good movie. I didn't expect what happened. So make sure you check out this movie on Tubi. Alright, so if you guys didn't know, I wrote my own book. This is all written by me. As much as it is a helpful guide to pass the NHA exam for phlebotomy technician, which is a course that I took and passed. All the information you need to pass your NHA exam. As much as I went over this book for like errors and stuff, just like one or two or three things that I want to change, and I also want to add another quiz in the back. So there is one quiz already in here. It's a question and answer. I do want to add another like short quiz in here that'll be helpful, and I think I want to change the cover, so I'm going to be like just like touching up the book a little bit. But yeah, guys, I did this book all from Canva. Like this is 2 pages right here, all from Canva. I paid for the subscription to do it, and it's on Amazon, you guys. Literally, I sold over 100 books. Let me show you guys. I sold over 100 books, and I'm super happy because, like, I didn't even think that I could, like, do that. Like, it's just amazing that I've sold So many books. 100 and can you guys see that? 142 books sold. And yeah, guys. So I'm just gonna revive it a little and spruce it up. And yeah, my first book ever I made, and it's on Amazon. So yeah. Um, so if you guys are into phlebotomy, this tells you anywhere from how to get started, from test questions and answers, notes, things to remember. And yeah, so stay tuned for the revised, should I say revived, for the newest edition of my book, I would say. But yeah, first book, 142 books sold. That's amazing. But yeah, yeah, so I'm gonna work on it now. I still have it saved in my Canva, and yeah. Those little things like this says ebook. I'm just going to delete that. I don't want this in here anymore. And I'm also going to change the title. So I'm going to work on that throughout the rest. And yeah. Alright guys, it's dinner time. I'm eating early. It's 6:40. I got 1 cup of rice, 10 florets, and 6 ounces of salmon, honey garlic salmon. So I'm gonna enjoy my dinner. So I did some editing for my book, not finished with that yet. I didn't pack my thrifting stuff, but I'll do that tomorrow. But thank you guys so much for watching, stopping by. We'll see you in the next video. And yes, I'm going to pick up the camera more. Yeah. Bye guys.